Hi guys, welcome. This is Recho in the kitchen. Welcome to my YouTube channel Everyday Kenya. Today nataka kuonyesha how to bake bread at home. Niseme mkate imekuwa bei kali. Just watch this video and you can make your bread at home. Stay tuned. Let me take you through the ingredients what we need. I have salt. I have baking powder. I have milk powder, you can choose yenye umepata kwa duka. I have instant dry yeast. This is very good for bread. I have my baking bread tins, sugar and all-purpose flour. If you have bread flour, it's good, but today I'm going to use all-purpose flour. We will use butter, 1 tablespoon. And I have 1 cup milk, which I'm going to warm because I want to activate my yeast. Milk, you can use water, but milk is good. It will give you soft and nice bread. I'm going to warm it to activate my yeast. Done. Then I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of ready. You can see it's like kind of a foam that you know your yeast is ready. You make sure you have mixed properly and My breads iko tayari. So I'm going to cover it. Juu hii tea haina kifuniko. I'm going to cover it. If you have a tin with kifuniko, you can close with it. After you cover your breads, place them in dark, warm place so they can rise vizuri for 1 hour. Mi kwangu sina mahali dark. I'm going to put there. But sijakisha oven yangu. My oven is not on. I just need somewhere dark and warm. So I'm going to place my bread there and wait for 1 hour. I've rested my bread for 1 hour. As you can see, it has rise. If it has not rise kabisa, don't worry. As soon as you put in the oven, it will rise. So my oven is ready at preheat. So, see you next week, episode 10. Bye.